2 of Testing AIs. So today we're trying Perplexity. So when I first heard of Perplexity, it said that Perplexity is trying to replace Google because when you search something on Google, it usually just you have to find your answer yourself. But in Perplexity, you don't. Instead, Perplexity gives you answers, and unlike other AIs, which tell the wrong answer confidently. Yeah. Perplexity. Alright. Single sign in. I'm gonna continue with Google. Sign in or sign up? What's the difference between sign in and sign up? Sign on, sign in, sign up, and now sign on. Anyways, Perplexity is an AI that's trying to replace Google. Searching Google, most importantly. And also, if you want to email me, like, do it. Email me. Now, I'm going to be asking you the same questions as in part 1. Justin Lucas, will my max? Whoa! Oh my goodness, what the hell? Gemini? Nah, I'm not going to do it. Anyways, what is this? Upgrade to access computer or whatever. But yeah, now I'm just gonna paste for it. What it said. What is a 1 to 3? What do you mean by quantum tunneling? That's much better. Alright, so I hope it doesn't take quantum tunneling. Wikipedia. This is Wikipedia. This is photos. First time ever seeing Perplexity. Ask follow-up. Alright. How to cook pasta. This time I'm gonna copy this. Last time I never copied almost anything. So I'm gonna how to cook pasta. Alright, what's this? Videos? They're videos? Boing. It's all on Nintendo. It's BBC good food suggest for 5 minutes to 1 more. Dragon. What am I doing? Anyways, now finally, tell me Python code. Now let me tell you things I like. If you're literally on Android, based on Android, and want purely Android, you know what I do? Actually, this is kind of cool. Anyways, I like Gemini. I'll choose Gemini if you're purely inside the Google ecosystem. Choose Perplexity if you hate searching for answers. So I'm gonna copy this and then input it on Python. So another thing is that I have actually tried this code program in Python once. The Python ID I'm using is Pyroid, but yeah, it's not. So I'm gonna create a new one, and then I'm gonna be pasting this clipboard and now I'm gonna do this. Why is the code this long? Also, for some reason, none of these codes work. But yeah, I'm gonna read this stuff. Invalid input. Well, guys, I think this is why you should use Perplexity. So I think this video ended pretty early, unlike Gemini. But yeah, for some reason I think this video ended early. So yeah, I think this is for today. So goodbye.